Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about find the area under the curve. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to graph about y equals to s and y equal to 2 minus s. So we have y, we have s and number 0 in here. Y equals to s, the graph should be like this. Y equal to 2 minus s, the graph should be like this. Y equal to number 0, the graph should be like this. Now the area we need to calculate, that's about this one, between three lines in here. And now I will show you how to answer. We need to find the intersection in here. So we have y and y. So we will have about s equal to 2 minus s. We put negative s go to the left. So s plus s, you got about 2s. We divide both sides by number 2. You got about 1. So this is about 1 in here. Now we need to find this intersection in here. So we have y equal to 2 minus s and y equal to number 0 in here. So this one we will have about 2 minus s equal to number 0. We put negative s go to the right and we have 2 equal to s. So this one is about number 2. This one is about 0 in here. Because y equal to s and y equal to number 0, that's why you got about 0. So we have 3 intersections. And now we need to set up about the interaction in here. From 0 to number 1. We have y equal to s above y equal to number 0. So we will have s minus 0 ds. Because we have the formula in here, that should be about upper minus lower to calculate about the area in here. Next, from number 1 to number 2, this is about 2 minus s. So we will have about the integral from number 1 to number 2. And we have 2 minus s minus 0 ds. Now we can calculate about this one in here. So this one we just have only s. The integration of s, we have s squared over 2. And we put the bound from 0 to number 1. This one we will have about 2s minus s squared over 2. And we put the bounds from number 1 to number 2. So we put number 1 gone here, number 0 gone here. So we have 1 square over 2 minus 0 square over 2. This one we put number 2 gone here. So we have 2 multiplied by number 2 minus 2 square over 2 minus 2 multiplied by number 1 and number 1. This one we simplify. You got about 1 over 2. This one we simplify. We got about 1 over 2. We sum 2 number in here. You got about number 1. And this is the answer for question number 1. Now we go to question number 2. So we need to wrap the function in here. the graph of y square, that should be like this. The graph of y plus 2, that should be like this. And the area we need to calculate, that is about this one. Now we need to find the intersection in here and here. So we have the same function in here. So that means if you got about intersection, this one should be equal to this one. So we have y squared equal to y plus 2. So we put this one go to the left. So we calculate about this one and we have two solutions. We got about y equal to number 2 and y equal to negative number 1. Now if we look on the graph, we can see that the line is above the curve in here. So the interaction that should be about from negative number 1 to positive number 2. We have y plus 2, that's about upper, minus the lower, that's about y squared in here. So we have the interaction of y, we have y squared over 2. Number 2, we have 2y. And y squared, we have y to the power of 3 over 3. And we put the bounds from negative number 2, from negative number 1 to number 2. So we put number 2 going here. Negative number 1 going here. We calculate about this one. We got about 9 over 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.